Hey, this is Apocalypse Defeated here. And I just wanted to say, sorry about the terrible lighting, but I found a baby bird, and it looks like there's a little maggot, too.
Feed it to him?
See? Look, maggot.
Bird.
Bird. So, Mom, there's a maggot.
Mommy, a bird just
See, look, maggot right there.
Mommy.
Can't find it. Well, anyway, there's a bird there. Just a random bird. And, yeah.
Why don't you search what it is, though?
Yeah, I think it might be a dove. I'm not sure. Yeah.
Ow!
Little baby bird. I think it's cute. Yeah. Yeah, I know. It can't fly and it looks hurt or something. When it spreads its wings, there's like feathers. She's a Shell Seminole. She's my sister. She also has a YouTube channel. Please subscribe her and subscribe me. Thank you for watching.